Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a free VPN on Windows 10. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. And before I start, I want to clear out something, that this video is not a clickbait. I'm telling you right now, this is not a clickbait. I tested it out and it works totally fine. And you will see the proof afterwards in this video. So yeah, let's start. To add the VPN, go to the Windows settings, of course, not in the control panel. Then go to Network and Internet. Then go to the VPN section and then click Add a VPN connection. Right now, head over to this website right here, VPN Book. Of course, I will leave the link in the description to go to the website and take one of those servers that it has in here. Do not choose the other one because I think you have to pay or you have to do something that it will be very difficult. Do not choose the two first ones right here because they are very slow. I tested them out, and choose the ones that has red letters or the ones that says optimized for fast web surfing. The ones that worked for me was the Canada 198 and the France 8. For in your country, it will depend on what server works best for you because you could be thousands of miles away from my country. And yeah, as I said, the ones that work for me is the Canada 198 and the France 8. To be honest, you have to test every single server to find the best server, to find the best download speed possible. So for this video, we'll be taking the France 8. Take the black letters and Control V or right click and copy, then head back to the Windows settings and click here VPN provider, click the Windows built-in and put a name of whatever you want. For this video I'll put a VPN book, and here the server name or address, paste the server that you copied, and then VPN type, change it to point-to-point tunneling protocol, and then click save. We will put the username and password in 10 seconds. Right now you will say, where will I put the username and password? Simply just click on the VPN and click connect, and it will require you to put your username and password. The username and password is literally here in the website, down here in the bottom. The username is VPN book, just copy it and paste it here, and unfortunately you cannot copy the password, you have to type it manually. Unfortunately I remember it, and after you have typed your password, click OK. And it says verifying the sign-in info and completing the connection, and as you can see it says connected. Right now we'll head over to speedtest.net, and hopefully it does not give us an error that it says latency error, because it gave me in my failed recordings, it gave me latency error, so let's hope it doesn't show it here. And it found the most optimal server, limited flex, and click go, and hopefully it doesn't say latency error. It will take a bit of time. The ping will be very high. Unfortunately, it will be about 150 milliseconds, 127. And as you can see, the speeds are very good. As you can see, it's close to my internet connection, which is 50 megabits. I don't know if you can reduce the millisecond. As I said, it will depend on what country you are. And let's see, the upload speed. It's not going to be something massive, less than 5 megabits, which is a bit bad if you're a YouTuber or something. We're gonna close that, and right now we're gonna go to the website whatsmyip.org. Your IP address will be totally different than yours. Do not worry about that. That's not my IP address. I know it because I saw it before. And yeah, your VPN, your IP address will be totally different, so you don't have to worry about anything. And right now, if we go to the control panel right here and then go to network and internet, then network and sharing center, then again change adapter settings, you will see here VPN book, and if we double click, you will see that it's like it has whatever we have put. As you can see, the destination address is the IP that I showed you like 20 seconds ago. And yeah, that's the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.